Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. In this video, I bring to you the top 9 news from the world of science and technology. Let's get started with some personal tech stories first. First up, WhatsApp Pay receives lukewarm response in India. Now, WhatsApp launched its payment services in India amid much excitement, but much to everyone's surprise, the payment service has received a lukewarm response in India. Data from the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) reveals that WhatsApp Pay only clocked 310,000 unified payments interface, that is UPI transactions in November, an alarmingly low figure given its 400 million subscriber user base in India. But the low numbers could also be attributed because of the fact that the Facebook-owned platform has launched the service in a staggered manner, which means that a lot of people still do not really have the service. Second, Samsung announces a 110-inch 4K TV with next-gen micro-LED picture quality. Now, the massive TV has gone up for pre-sale in Korea and will also launch globally in the first quarter of 2021. And as expected, the price will be as massive as its screen size, but Samsung hasn't revealed the price of the device yet. The 110-inch micro-LED uses micrometer-sized LED lights to eliminate the backlight and also color filters utilized in the conventional displays. Instead of doing this, it is self-illuminating, producing light and color from its own pixel structures. Now, this results in stunning lifelike colors and accurate brightness from the display's 4K resolution and also 8 million pixels. Patents reveal Xiaomi is working on a rollable smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. Smartphone manufacturers are pushing boundaries with designs and features, and a new patent filed by Xiaomi with the United States Patent and Trademark shows the brand's vision of a device with a retractable display that stretches sideways to a tablet form. Now, the technology has been teased by TCL and Oppo in the past, but now it looks like Xiaomi has decided to join the race. So, will this technology actually see the light of the day, or will it end up as a beautiful concept that never really materialized? Well, only time will tell. Redmi reveals list of devices that won't get the MIUI 12 update. In what comes as a disappointing news for MI fans and buyers, some of the company devices will be left out of the new MIUI update. The list of Redmi devices that are not eligible to get the software include Redmi 7, Redmi Y3, Redmi 6A and Redmi 6. Now, the company cited compatibility and performance issues as the reason for not including these devices. Netflix Streamfest is live again, and yes, you heard that right. After a tremendous response for the first Streamfest, where it saw an increase of 2,750% in their downloads, Netflix has quietly rolled out the second edition of the free-to-stream service. Now, the offer will be active till 11 December till around 9 p.m. and the offer basically is the same, but this time around it is going to be on weekdays, and Netflix will be hoping that most visitors who visited during Streamfest will be converting into paying subscribers. New Google app allows people to use eyes to communicate. Yes, a new application developed by Experiments with Google initiative will now help users to use their eyes to select pre-written phrases and will also have them spoken aloud. Now, the new application will be available to users via Google Play Store and is compatible with Android 9.0 and above, including Android One. The new app basically aims to help people with speech and motor impairments, particularly those who are non-verbal and also require assistance to communicate. Now, the settings will be adjustable and people will have to look left, right or quickly select what they want to say from the list of phrases, and the company also claims that there is not going to be any sort of privacy issue with this application. Reliance Jio is in talks with major smartphone makers to bring down prices of 4G handsets. As per reports, Reliance Jio is working with Realme and other smartphone manufacturers to further lower the price of 4G handsets and other connected devices. While speaking to the media, Sunil Dutt, who is the Reliance Jio's president of devices and mobility, said that there is a need to provide affordable devices so that people using 2G handsets can upgrade to 4G and 5G. Amazon starts rolling out revamped Fire TV software. Now, the software that runs on Amazon's Fire TV streaming devices is set to undergo a significant overhaul in the coming weeks, and the rollout of the new Fire TV experience begins today on some devices. After the update is installed, you'll have access to new features like multi-user support and a streamlined interface that makes it faster for you to reach your favorite entertainment apps. And when you're in the mood to watch something new but you're not sure about what you want to watch, there's also a new Find tab that also brings together movies, TV shows, free ad-supported content and sports from various services. Moving on to some space news now. SpaceX's 16-story Starship prototype explodes during test flight. A 16-story tall Starship prototype being developed by SpaceX exploded during a test flight on Wednesday. The prototype is being developed by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk's private space company to carry humans and 100 tons of cargo on future missions to the moon and the Mars. The test flight has been intended to reach an altitude of 41,000 feet. It was propelled by 3 of SpaceX's newly developed Raptor engines for the first time. However, Musk has gone ahead and claimed that despite the explosion, the test flight was successful and the company had obtained all the data that they wanted. So these were our top 9 news from the world of science and technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.